Do you want to know how you can log in to your Rocket Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Rocket Mortgage account. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and search for Rocket Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which says rocketmortgage.com. It will take you to this login portal of Rocket Mortgage or this page where you can see sign in. Click on sign in, which you can see on the middle of the screen, and it will lead you to a login portal where you can write down your username and password. So go ahead and fill them up. Write down your Rocket account's username, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Rocket Mortgage account. You can show or hide the password by clicking on this box where it says show password, and if in case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to go through. I hope this video about how you can log in or sign in to your Rocket Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.